Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 11 on basic probability. In this lecture we are going to discuss one more question which was asked in GTU Winter 2019 exam for this applied mathematics for electrical engineering subject. So first we understand what is this question. So it is given that in a Bolt factory, three machines A, B and C, that is machines are denoted by these three capital letters A, B and C, manufacture 25%, 35% and 40% of the total product respectively. So here it is given that machine A produces 25% of the total product. Here product is Bolt, so we can say that machine A produces 25% of the bolts. Similarly, machine B produces 35% bolts and machine C produces 40% bolts. Further, it is given that of these outputs, 5%, 4% and 2% respectively are defective bolts. So that is, of these outputs, 5% are defective bolts by machine A, 4% are defective bolts by machine B and 2% are defective bolts by machine C. A bolt is picked at random, that is, a bolt is selected at random and found to be defective. So what are the probabilities that defective bolt was manufactured by machines A, B and C? So this is the problem of Bayes theorem. So first we define particular events. So first we can define three events as the bolts are manufactured by machines A, machine B and machine C respectively. So here we have denoted those three events by ABC. Event A is the event that bolt is manufactured by machine A. Similarly, the event that bolt is manufactured by machine B is denoted by capital B, and capital C denote the event that bolt is manufactured by machine C. So here we are given these probabilities of bolts manufactured by these three machines. 25% bolts are manufactured by machine A, that means probability of A is given as 0.25. Similarly, 35% bolts are manufactured by machine B, so probability of B is 0.35, and 40% bolts are manufactured by machine C, so probability of C is 0.40. So here we have written these three probabilities. Probability of A is 0.25, probability of B is 0.35, probability of C is 0.40. Now suppose we consider event D as the bolt is defective. So if D is the event, here we assume that D is the event that the bolt is defective. Then here it is given that 5%, 4% and 2% respectively are defective bolts out of these three outputs of machines A, B and C. That is, 5% of the bolts are defective provided they are manufactured by machine A. So if we consider this event, probability that bolt is defective given that it is manufactured by machine A, then this probability is 5%, that is 0.05. Similarly, probability that bolt is defective given that it is manufactured by machine B is given as 4%, that is it is 0.04. So probability of defective bolt by machine B is 0.04. Similarly, probability of defective bolt by machine C is 2%, that is 0.02. So probability of D given A, that means probability that the bolt is defective provided it is manufactured by machine A, is 5%, that is 0.05, and similarly we can understand for other two. So here we have written probability of defective bolt by machine A is 0.05, probability of defective bolt by machine B is 0.04, and probability of defective bolt by machine C is 0.02. Now this is given information. After that, a bolt is picked at random. So bolt is selected at random. So that means it can come from any machine. Either it can come from machine A or machine B or machine C. So one bolt is selected at random and found to be defective. That means one selected bolt is defective. So this event occurs first, that whatever bolt is selected is defective. Now we are asked to find the probabilities that defective bolt was manufactured by machines A, machines B and machine C. So that means if we consider A given D, then this denotes the event that the bolt was manufactured by machine A given that it is defective. So here this event occurs first. Bolt is picked at random and found to be defective. That is, bolt is defective occurs first, and we have to find out the probability that bolt is manufactured by machine A given that selected bolt is defective. So A given D is the event that the defective bolt which was selected is produced by machine A. So that we can find out using Bayes theorem or Bayes formula. So the probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine A is equal to probability of A given D. A given D means this event occurs first, that is selected bolt is defective, and we are interested in the probability of that defective bolt is manufactured by machine A. So the probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine A is given by Bayes formula. So here in the numerator we write probability of A times probability of D given A. Here we write down this same term, and we write down similar two terms for B and C. So probability of B times probability of D given B, probability of C times probability of D given C. So this is by Bayes theorem or Bayes formula. So using Bayes theorem. So after substituting all these values, we will obtain the probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine A. Now suppose we want the probability that defective bolt selected at random is produced by machine B, then that will be the probability of B given D. So for this probability, this quantity will remain same, denominator will be same, and in the numerator we write down this part, probability of B times probability of D given B. Similarly, if we are interested in the probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine C, then this will be replaced by this last term, and we are having all these values. So in this way we will be able to find out the probabilities that defective bolts were produced by machines A, B and C. So first we are finding this probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine A. So this is by Bayes theorem, and we have substituted all these values here. Probability of A is 0.25, probability of D given A is 0.05, so 0.25, 0.05. Here also we have same thing. Probability of B is 0.35, probability of D given B is 0.04. and probability of C is 0.40, probability of D given C is 0.02. So after doing all these calculations, we obtain this probability approximately up to 4 decimal places, 0.3623. So probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine A is 0.3623. Now here we observe one thing, that this part is going to remain common. So value of this part is nothing but 0.0345. So that we can directly substitute in doing remaining two calculations. So this is total probability, probability of A times probability of D given A plus probability of B times probability of D given B plus probability of C times probability of D given C. Similarly, we find out the probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine B. So for that, here A will be replaced by B. So that is also we have written the probability that defective bolt selected at random is manufactured by machine B is probability of B given D. So here we write down this term in the numerator, and we have obtained that this value is 0.0345, that we write from this step. Okay, this is nothing but 0.0345, and we find that this product's 0.35 into 0.04 is 0.014, and we obtain the answer of probability that defective bolt is manufactured by machine B is 0.4058. Similarly, we find out probability that defective bolt is manufactured by machine A is probability of C given D. So here this remains as it is, and this we write in the numerator, and after substituting all these values we obtain this probability 0.2319 is the probability that defective bolt is manufactured by machine C. So in this way we can apply Bayes theorem, and we can easily solve this type of problems. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.